Hi everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to know your Bitcoin wallet address at Binance. This is quite simple and this is not just going to work for your Bitcoin but any token you have in your Binance wallet. So obviously you must go into your Binance app and in the bottom right corner you're going to find the option wallet. There you just have to go into deposit crypto, this option here, and here you must to search in the top search bar your Bitcoin token, or here in my history I have my BTC token. So obviously you must to choose your network. Remember that if somebody is trying to send you some money, you must to use the same network. Other way you're gonna have some issues. So I'm gonna use the first one, Bitcoin, and there's my address. This is my deposit address for my Bitcoin. If you are gonna use a different network, by the way, just remember the last digits of this address, 8M50B. So I'm gonna use another one, perhaps BNB Smart Chain, and this is a different address. So remember, you must use the same network as the person is gonna send you some bitcoins, okay? You just have to copy your address and send it through WhatsApp or Telegram or any other method, and in that way you're gonna receive your tokens. And that's how you can know your Bitcoin wallet address at Binance. Remember, subscribe to our channel, give a like to our video, and if you have any doubt, please comment it here in this video. Thanks for watching.